Hello, everyone. I'm Mark Baker, MAB Notary Services, and I'm delighted to be here today and to discuss a very important topic, one that you can use in your notary practice, um, one that you can market as one of your services. And if you haven't, I invite you to um, look at some of the other videos I have out there on notary practices and your duties and responsibilities as a notary. Now, without any further ado, um, let's get right into it. Today's topic is how notary handles wills and trust documents. We're diving into an essential aspect of estate planning: how notaries handle wills and trust documents. If you're curious about the notary's role in ensuring these documents are legally binding and properly executed, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's break down the role of a notary in handling wills. Witnessing signatures. A notary public's primary job is to witness the signing of the will. This ensures that the testator, the person creating the will, is signing it voluntarily and is of sound mind. For example, when Mr. Smith signs his will, the notary confirms his identity and witnesses his signature. Ensuring legal requirements. Notaries make sure that all legal requirements for the will are met. This includes verifying that the document is properly dated and that any necessary witnesses are present. For instance, in some states, a will must be signed in the presence of two witnesses, and the notary ensures that this process is followed. Administering oaths. In some cases, the testator and witnesses may be required to swear an oath confirming the authenticity of the document. The notary administers this oath and adding an extra layer of legal credibility. Imagine a scenario where Mrs. Johnson swears an oath in front of the notary, affirming that the will is her true and intentional copy. Now let's move on to handling trust documents. Authenticating trust documents. Similar to wills, a notary's role is to authenticate the signing of trust documents. This ensures that the grantor, the person creating the trust, is signing willingly and knowingly. For example, when a couple sets up a living trust, the notary verifies that their identities and authenticates their signatures, certifying copies. Notaries may also be involved in certifying copies of trust documents. This means that they confirm that the copies are true and accurate reproduction of the original document. Let's say Mr. and Mrs. Lee need certified copies of their trust for their financial advisor. The notary certifies that these copies ensuring their accuracy. Handling amendments and restatements. If a trust document needs to be amended or restated, the notary ensures that these changes are executed properly. This might involve verifying signatures and ensuring the document meets all legal requirements. Picture Mr. Rodriguez updating his trust to include a new grandchild. The notary ensures that this amendment is legally sound. In summary, notaries play a crucial role in the execution and authentication of wills and trust documents by witnessing signatures, ensuring legal requirements are met, administering oaths, authenticating documents, certifying copies, handling amendments. Notaries add a layer of security and legality to these important documents. If you found this information to be helpful, I invite you to please like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't had a chance, please look up the other videos that I have out there I believe would help you in your notary practice. and also help you to do what we all want to do, create a positive outcome for our businesses. Um, Again, I invite you to leave comments. That's the only way you and I can communicate. In those comments, reveal if you feel that these topics are helping you. And if you would like to see more of what is presented on any video, or if you haven't seen something you would like to see, make a comment, communicate. Let's help each other to make this happen. Until the next time, happy notary.